Good morning, dear students. Now, in organic chemistry, after classification of organic compounds, right, next content is homologous series. Homologous series. Homologous series is the family of organic compounds where all members of same family show similar chemical properties. Right? If same function group is present, they show similar chemical properties. Right? For example, alkane family, alkyne family. Right? What is the main feature of alkane family? Substitution reaction, displacement reaction. Alkene family, addition reaction. Alkyne family, again addition reaction. Unsaturated hydrocarbons show addition reaction, and saturated hydrocarbons or organic compounds always show substitution or displacement reaction. Okay, children? For example, CH4, C2H6, methane and ethane, both members are placed in which family? Alkene family. Alkene hydrocarbon, A denotes saturation, presence of carbon-carbon single bonds only. Right? Now, if functional group is present, for example, halogen is present. Halogen atom acts as functional group. Right? Methyl chloride, ethyl chloride. Right? If functional group is halide, like CH3, Cl, and in ethane, one hydrogen is displaced by Cl, that derivative is C2H5, Cl. Both members are similar in their chemical properties. For example, hydrolysis of methyl chloride or chloromethane in the presence of aqueous KOH gives methanol. Aqueous KOH, what is the final product of halide alcohol? Same properties is shown by chloroethane or ethyl chloride. Hydrolysis, reaction of halide in the presence of aqueous KOH, then formation of alcohol. This is a similarity in chemical properties of halides. Displacement of halogen atom by OH group in the presence of aqueous KOH and formation of alcohol. Right? One feature. Second feature, any two adjacent members or successive members differ by one CH2 unit or by 14 unified mass. For example, methane and ethane. What is the difference between two hydrocarbons? Difference by one CH2 unit. Right? On addition of one CH2 unit in previous hydrocarbon, first hydrocarbon is methane, plus addition of CH2, then next hydrocarbon is on, which is ethane, C2H6. This important feature is shown by members of homologous family. In alkane family, alkyne family, this feature is found. Right? You can explain difference between two successive members or adjacent members in terms of CH2 group, CH2 unit or its mass. What is total mass of CH2 group? 14. 12 mass of the one carbon atom and total mass of two hydrogen atoms is equal to 2. 12 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, children, like this. Mass of carbon is 12. Two hydrogen atoms are present. Mass of one carbon is 1. What is total mass? Total mass is equal to 14. U means unified. Right? Now children, for general formula also. General formula is given for alkane family, ene family and ine family. Right? For alkane family, general formula is Cl H2N plus 2, right? And denotes number of carbon. If N is equal to 1, then here also N is equal to 1, right? Which member is obtained when N is equal to 1? First member of alkane family, because this formula is given for alkane. A for single bonded system or hydrocarbons. If N is equal to 1, then member is CH4, right? N is equal to 1, N is equal to 1, then 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, first member. If N is equal to 2, you have 2 into 2, 4, plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, and this N is equal to 2. Next member is C2H6, right? From next member, which is propane, N is equal to 3, right? If N is equal to 3, then C3H8, right? N is equal to 3, like this, C3H, 2 into 3 plus 2, C3, 6 plus 2, C3H8. Again, difference between N into successive by 1 CH2 group, between methane and ethane by 1 CH2, or between ethane and propane by 1 CH2. Okay, children, this is property of members of any homologous series or family, right? Alkene family, ene denotes double bond. Alkene, ene means double bond. General formula is CnH2n, 2 hydrogen less. 2 hydrogen less. Why 2 hydrogen less? Due to formation of double bond between carbon-carbon atom. Okay, children, like this. And first member of alkene family starts from 2 carbon containing. Double bond between 2 carbon atoms. Right? If N is equal to 2, this one is also 2. First member is ethene, C2H4. If N is equal to 2, then member is ethene. Right? This is molecular formula structure. Ethene. Addition of 1 CH2 unit, common feature between any adjacent or successive members, on addition of 1 CH2 unit, right? What is next member? Next member is 1, 2 plus 1, 3, and 4 hydrogen atoms are already present, and 2 from CH2 group, then total hydrogen atoms equal to 6. C3H6. Verify this structure is correct or not. This bonding structure is this, like this. This structure is correct or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon is tetravalent. 3 atoms, 1, 2, 3. Okay, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. This molecular formula is correct because its structure is bonding structure is also correct. Right? Correct bonding structure, then correct molecular formula. Okay, children? Next member by addition of the CH2 unit, or for next member N is equal to what? 4. First member for N is equal to 2, second member when N is equal to 3, and third member when N is equal to 4. Okay, children, remember this formula. For alkene family, for general formula is CnH2n. For alkyne family, remove 2 more hydrogen from parent hydrocarbon, C2H4. After elimination of 2 hydrogen atoms from C2H4, the next group is C2H2. And C2H2 is ethyl, which is triply bonded unsaturated product and first member of alkyne family. Okay, children, very interesting features, general formula of each family. Cn minus 2. Just opposite of first. Opposite of general formula for alkane group. CnH2n plus 2 nomenclature. Right? International Union for which pure and applied chemistry. General formula is prefix, then word root, then suffix. Application of rules according to IUPAC system, right? For scientific names of any organic compound, right? The system is given for scientific. Any compound in any country is known by single name in any country, right? For example, CH3OH, OH group is present. What is its IUPAC name? Methanol. CH3Cl, IUPAC name chloromethane. Hydrocarbon or organic compound without any functional group, C4H10. System is saturated. Its name is butane. If structure is straight chain, unbranched, then its name is normal butane. Structure is branched, then IUPAC name is 2-methyl-propane. Common name is isobutane. Okay, children. Application of this formula: prefix, which is written before word root; suffix, which is written after word. Okay, children. Then further classification of prefix: primary prefix and secondary prefix. One note is written for primary prefix, two note for secondary prefix, and word root denotes number of carbon atoms in main chain of organic compound, and suffix after word root. Suffix is classified into two categories: primary suffix and secondary suffix. Okay, children. Primary prefix indicates number, right? Like 2-chloro, 3-chloro. 2 is primary prefix. Chloro is secondary prefix. Secondary prefix is written for substituent. Which substituent is present? Some groups are written as substituent. For example, halogen. Its formula is haloalkane. What is the position of halogen in organic compound? That number is known as primary prefix. And word root, how many carbon atoms are present? 4 carbon atoms, bute. 5 carbon atoms, pent. 6 carbon atoms, hex, hept. For 7, hept. For 8, oct. This number denotes word root, right? The suffix after word root, primary suffix indicates presence of unsaturation. If unsaturation is present, then what type of unsaturation is present? Double bond like or triple bond like? Ene type or ine type, right? And secondary suffix denotes suffix for functional group. Alcohol, ol. Carboxylic acid, oic. Aldehyde, al. Okay, children? Ketone, ol. Right? Discussion of only this simple formula, and next step is application. How to apply? Now, for example, children, in this compound, this is complete structural formula, right? Of which compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. C4, H. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. C4H9, 1C. Butane is C4H10. When one hydrogen is displaced by halogen or any functional group, the formula is C4H9. If hydrogen is displaced by Cl, then formula is C4H9Cl. Okay, children? Now apply this formula. Which carbon is nearest carbon? From left hand side or from right hand side? according to IUPAC rules. First rule is longest chain rule, but in this case only single chain is present, branch is absent, right? Second is numbering of carbon atoms. Numbering of carbon atoms, and lowest number is given to that carbon where functional group is present. That lowest number may be given either from left hand side or right hand side. In this case, what is the position of Cl atom? Left hand side. What is the correct method for numbering or counting? Left side. If we start from left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, this carbon is getting second line. The group is, this functional group is addressed. From right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's wrong method. From right hand side, this carbon is getting third number, and from left hand side, this carbon is getting second number. Correct method is this. Second is wrong, right? Then apply this formula. Prefix, numerical prefix, which is written for number, and which is primary prefix. 2, then hyphen, and Cl is present here, chloro. Primary prefix, secondary prefix. Word root for 4 carbon atoms. System is saturated, right? 2 chloro butane. Here is no application of suffix. Unsaturation is absent, and second functional group is absent. Only one group is present, which is halogen, and halogen is written as prefix. Halogen group, atom is written as prefix. If Br is present, then 2 group. I is present, 2 iodine, like this. Okay, children? Now, if functional group is alcohol, like this, OH group is attached to right hand side, first one. Apply same rule, lowest possible number, this is 1, first number, 2, 3, 4. Here prefix is absent, right? Subsequent is absent, right? Then application of word root, which is 4, butane. Word root is butane, and suffix only secondary suffix. Primary is absent, unsaturation is absent, right? Then its name is butanol. Butanol. General formula for alkane with OH group is alkanol. For butanol, remove this E terminal and add suffix ol. This all suffix is written for alcoholic group. Okay, children, very simple. Remove this E terminal. Drop this E and write here ol. Butanol. But this is incomplete. Not wrong, incomplete. Here position of OH group, at which carbon OH group is present, first carbon. This is butanol 1 or 1 butanol. Right? If OH group is attached at this carbon, then butanol 2. Butanol 3 is not possible. If OH group is present at this carbon, then start counting from left hand side. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Butanol 2 is out. OH group is present at this carbon, start counting from left hand side. The same product is obtained, butanol 1. Okay, children? Right? In this manner, we can write IUPAC name of any organic compound. Right? First of all, knowing the type of hydrocarbon, whether hydrocarbon is saturated or unsaturated. Right? Substituent is present or not. Side chain is present or not. Functional group is present. Which functional group is present? All is written for alcohol. OIC is written for carboxylic group. OIC, oic. L for aldehyde on 42 like this. Okay, children? Thank you.